Welcome to Label Resizer. In this video, we'll briefly show you how the product label maker tool works. After logging in to Label Resizer, first select the product menu, then choose Generate via Web Form. Next, set the dimensions of your label according to your needs. Then enter the required details for the product label, such as product title and condition, and enrich it by adding a header, footer, or any custom text you need. Don't forget to select the label numbering style and specify how many labels you want to generate. When you click the Generate Product Label button, your labels will be created as a PDF file. They'll automatically download to your computer and also open in a new browser tab for your convenience. Label Resizer, all-in-one solution for your labeling needs.